Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S/4HANA tutorials. So I'll be posting all the latest job updates for both freshers and experienced on daily basis. So I would recommend you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get an immediate notification and it will be easy for you to apply right away before it expires. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with one of the best job opportunity from Toshiba for a package of 6.5 lakh per annum, which is a very decent package when compared to other companies in recent times for a fresher. So it's an off-campus hiring from Toshiba, that is for 2021 passed out batch. So now let's get into other details. Your position will be training and degree would be BE or BTech, ME or MTech. So all BE, BTech, ME, MTech from ECE and CSE departments are eligible to apply for this role. And you should be 2021 passed out batch. And once you are hired, you'll get posted in Bangalore location. So when coming to qualification, you should be of 2021 passed out batch with more than 70% of aggregate throughout your academics, that is from 10 to highest qualification. So here competition would be less as criteria mentioned is more than 70% of aggregate. And also you should be ready to give 3 years service bond with Toshiba. So usually in many of the IT companies they would ask you to sign 2 years service bond, but here they have extended it a bit. But even then I would recommend you to sign this service bond as they are offering a very good package, that is from 6 to 6.5. And you should have good knowledge on any of the programming language, that might be either C, C++, Java or Python or anything else. So just be prepared yourself before appearing for this interview process. And you should have good attitude and communication skills. And your responsibility would be to design and development of standard components for multifunctional peripheral. So you need not worry about this, because once you are hired, you will be given training for at least 3 to 6 months. And coming to interview rounds, there will be online technical test and virtual interviews. So the first round would be either aptitude or reasoning and English grammar test. So once you clear the first round, you will be proceeded for further rounds, that is technical and HR discussion. And once you are shortlisted, you will be given interview call letter. So apply for it as soon as possible before it expires. And if you just click here, so this is an official post from Toshiba. So now just let's see these details in brief once again. Position is trainee engineer and salary it is 6 lakhs per annum for graduates, and for postgraduates it is 6.5. Eligibility all BE, BTech, ME, MTech from CSE and ECE of 2021 batch, and you should have more than 70% of aggregate. Job location is Bangalore and bond is for 3 years. And hiring process is online technical test and virtual interviews. So as the registration is closing soon, apply it as soon as possible. And this is how you have to fill your application. Just give your first name, last name, email ID. So here you can give all your personal and academic information. And coming to the last one, are you willing to serve 3 years bond with Toshiba if you get selected? So I would recommend you to check it as yes for your profile to get shortlisted. So just click on yes and submit the form. So once you are shortlisted, you will be given interview call letter very shortly. So this is a very quick information about this position from Toshiba. So apply it as soon as possible. So if you match up with this eligibility criteria, because it's a very good package which is 6 to 6.5. And you can also refer to other coding and non-coding jobs from some other reputed companies in our channel. So please do check that as well. Also I would be giving you some links from TCS, Cognizant, Deloitte and other reputed companies. Please do check that as well. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S/4HANA tutorials on daily basis. Thank you.